You're running a booming home service business. The calls are pouring in, the jobs are stacking up, and you're starting to feel the strain. You know you need to expand your team, but where to begin? How do you bring on new people without turning your operation into a chaotic free-for-all? If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Because today we're diving deep into the world of Housecall Pro, and we're uncovering how to add employees to your system like a pro. Let's face it, hiring new employees is a big deal. It's not just about finding the right people, but also about integrating them into your workflow seamlessly. And that's where Housecall Pro comes in. It's more than just scheduling software. It's your business's command center. So, how do you leverage its power to bring your new team members up to speed? First things first, let's talk about employee roles. Housecall Pro offers 3 main roles: admin/owner, office staff, and field tech. It's crucial to understand the differences between these roles to assign permissions correctly. Admin/owners have full access to everything, office staff handles the back end, and field techs are your on-the-ground heroes. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. To add a new employee, head over to your account settings. It's like the control tower of your Housecall Pro universe. Once there, you'll find the Employees and Permissions section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Employee and fill in the basic details. Name, email address. Remember, an invitation will be sent to their email, so make sure it's correct. But here's the kicker: permissions. This is where you define what your new hire can and can't do. Can they access customer information, schedule jobs, process payments? Take your time with this step. Over-permissioning can lead to chaos, while under-permissioning can hinder productivity. Once you've set their permissions, hit save. Your new employee will receive an email with a link to set up their password. And just like that, you've added a new player to your Housecall Pro game. But wait, there's more. Once your new hire is in the system, it's time to provide training. Housecall Pro offers a wealth of resources to help you and your team get the most out of the software. From video tutorials to online guides, there's something for everyone. And don't forget about the importance of clear communication. Sit down with your new employees and explain how you want things done. What are your expectations? How do you handle different situations? The more open and honest you are, the smoother the transition will be. Adding employees to Housecall Pro is a straightforward process, but it's also a critical one. By taking the time to set things up correctly, you're setting your business up for success. Remember, your team is your greatest asset. Empower them with the right tools and watch your business soar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy housecalling.